Astronomers discover an ocean planet completely covered by a thick layer of water, 100 light years from Earth. Scientists have discovered an ocean planet that bears a striking resemblance to Kevin Costner's 1995 post-apocalyptic action film Waterworld. They say the world, which is 100 light years from Earth, is completely covered by a thick layer of water similar to some of Jupiter's and Saturn's moons. It is slightly larger and heavier than Earth and far enough from its star to support life. TOI 1452b, an exoplanet orbiting one of two small stars, is a binary star system in the constellation Draco, has been discovered by an international team of researchers. They are led by Charles Cadillo, a graduate student at the University of Montreal and a member of the Institute for Research on Exoplanets. NASA's TESS Space Telescope, which scans the entire sky for planetary systems near us, puts researchers on the path of exoplanets. The exoplanet's host star TOI 1452 is much smaller than our Sun and is one of two stars of similar size in the binary system. The two stars orbit each other and are separated by a distance so small, 97 AU, or about 2.5 times the distance between the Sun and Pluto, that the TESS telescope sees it as a single point of light. However, through further observations, astronomers were able to determine that TOI 1452b orbits TOI 1452. Then it took them more than 50 hours to calculate the planet's mass, which is estimated to be nearly 5 times the mass of Earth. Exoplanet TOI 1452b is likely rocky like ours, but its radius, mass and density point to a world very different from ours, experts say. Earth is basically a very dry planet, although it is sometimes called the blue planet because about 70% of its surface is covered by oceans. Water actually makes up a fraction of its mass, less than 1%. In recent years, astronomers have identified and determined the radius and mass of many exoplanets between the size of Earth and Neptune. Some of them have densities that can only be explained if most of their mass is made up of lighter materials than those that make up Earth's interior, such as water. This hypothetical world is called an oceanic planet. TOI 1452b is one of the best marine planet candidates we have found to date, Cadillo said. Its radius and mass show a much lower density than would be expected for a planet composed mostly of metal and rock, such as Earth. Analysis of TOI 1452b shows that water can make up to 30% of its mass, the same ratio as some of the natural satellites in our solar system, such as Jupiter's moons Ganymede and Callisto and Saturn's moon Titan and Enceladus. There is hope that TOI 1452b will be the perfect candidate for further observations by NASA's new $10 billion James Webb Telescope, which launched last month with scientific observations beginning. Thanks.